Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to go over the issue of when you're trying to send out a prescription and you get that PMSI interoperability error. One thing that you'll notice is when you're inside a clinical and you click even before you click the RX, as long as you're on the patient chart, you can go down here to this EMDs in this bottom right-hand corner. And if that link is green, that means that it's connecting to the prescription services. It's communicating to EMDs to send out to SureScripts. And if you don't see it light up at first, you can click on it and it should bring up that color code. But you can also go into the RX medications, and then usually this will highlight no matter what. If it's in red, that means it's bad, that it needs to be fixed. But sometimes you'll also, when you send out a prescription, you'll get that PMSI interoperability error. So what you're going to want to do is close down Clinical, go into the services. So I'm going to click on the Windows button right here, type in services on the keyboard for that to show up. And I am going to click on, it might just say services or it might say view local services. So I'm just going to click on that. And in this list right here, I'm going to look for PMSI interoperability. So here it is right here, PMSI interoperability service. I'm going to go ahead and hit stop. And then I'm going to hit start. This will reestablish that connection. If you get an error while trying to restart that, what you're going to want to do is go down to your taskbar, right-click, and go to Task Manager. In here, you'll go to the Details tab, and you are again going to look for that PMSI interoperability. So right here. PMSI Networking Service Interoperability Service. And you will want to right-click and select End Task. Then you can go back to that Services tab and right-click and say Start. The End Task will make sure that it fully closes that program, and then the restarting it on PMSI Interoperability Services in the Services window will bring it back up. Now, when you go back into Clinical, that link should be green like I was showing it on my screen.
Hey, thanks for watching our video. If you want more videos like this, be sure to subscribe and also do us a favor and click that like button. Thanks again and see you on the next one.